Alright, Continental Bluetooth stereo install. If you're here for a reason. I am not installing the mic or whatever the hell that is. I've taken no time to figure out what those are. This was stuffed in the back of the Continental. You pull that out to hook your factory one in there. These I cut off my factory, all these parts here. I have a 1987 BMW E30 325. It does not have the tweets. It does have the factory balance, which is right here. Focus right there. That is the factory balance, and that will be important here in a second. I've already put Rockford Fosgate speakers in all these, just plug and play, 5 1/4 all the way around. You should have this out by now. Pull that guy out. I cut all the ends off. These are for the speakers. You've got 2 sets. Mine was yellow wires on the left, blue wires on the right. Yellow wires in the driver's kick panel, blue wires in the passenger's kick panel. And those will be the only ones poking out from your dash. And I'll show you the other ones. Here it is right here. A1, A2. No function, no function. All those other wires I told you about for your fade, here you are right here. D1, D2, that's going to be these up here. That's if you want to use these. I'm not using those again. So you can wire the 4 wires, or you can wire all 8 wires. Depends on what you want. Yellow, cut those off. Left, blue, right. Up under here, you're probably not going to be able to see it very well. Yeah, you can. You'll think you have 4 speakers. You'll need 8 wires. This has an auto fade. These feed into the auto fade. These, sorry, I'm not even looking at it. These feed into the auto fade. This orange plug, you will not need these unless you want to use the auto fade from the deck. If you want to do that, pull all those out, wire all those in, color for color, word for word. They're all labeled. You have 2 right and you have 2 left. Let's see what they are. White, left, 2 left, gray and black, right, right. 2 into left, 2 into right. Not using the stereo fade. I'm using the provided fade from the factory. So those are blocked off. Okay, black plug, green, non-functional. Those 2 pins are non-functional in here. You got A on the bottom, B, this is for your mic and all the other stuff. I'll show you that no video I watched showed any of this, and if it did, it wasn't matching my car. Radio, white wire, antenna, black cord. Disregard these 2, there's no function. Blue goes into white. Yellow goes into red and green. Orange goes into white and red. Black is your ground, goes into brown, ground. Red goes into purple and white. Plugs right in. Plays like a dream. Super stoked on that. So if this helped, you're welcome. That's what I do this for. I wasn't even going to post this, but I figured if I ran into a couple little issues, someone else might as well. So that was a kind of a down and dirty video. This is what the final product looks like. Looks really good, and then I threw a new screen. It's not 137. I just haven't set the clock. So I threw a new screen on that, which this is freaking super easy. Just pull this faceplate off and then freaking pinch the tabs. The whole thing comes out, unplug it, take it apart. I got the little screen off of freaking Amazon. So yeah, it came out pretty freaking good. It sounds really good too. With just 5 1/4 Rockford Fosgates. I mean, there's not a lot of bass, but I didn't really want bass. And then I put the AA batteries, I wired in the little SI board bypass. I put those batteries in, and the red and yellow light were staying on constant, and then the oil service, whatever. So I got to get to the bottom of that. Obviously, this freaking cluster has been molested by somebody. So I took the batteries out for now, and I will figure that out later, I guess. It's running and driving well. I kind of noticed I had a little bit of a weird idle today, so outside of that, it's doing pretty good. So Continental Bluetooth freaking looks super good. Hope you guys enjoyed it.